everyone. My name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning how to install Insomnia. So Insomnia is a desktop API client for the REST and GraphQL, and with the help of Insomnia core, you can make requests and analyze the responses. So Insomnia is available under two flavors. One we have is the Insomnia core and one we have is the Insomnia designer. So Insomnia Core is basically used for making the requests and getting the responses, whereas the Insomnia Designer we have for for designing, testing, and managing the API specifications. In today's video, we will be learning how to install Insomnia Core on Windows. So it can be installed on Mac, Windows, and Linux. So today we will see how we can install it on Windows machine. For Windows machine, it is available as a .exe file and just you have to double click and install the file. So let us go on the website. So this is the website insomnia.rest and we will be installing Insomnia Core. So just click on the latest release button. Okay. So Insomnia Core for Windows. So not your OS means if you want to install on Mac or if you want to install on other operating systems, you can go on all the downloads. So see, it is available for Mac, it is available for Windows 7 Plus and the Linux, that is Ubuntu. So today we will be installing on our Windows machine. Click on this button, Windows 7 Plus. Okay, so the download has started. It is a 105 MB exe file, so let's wait. It will take some time to download. Okay, so our file is downloaded. Let us click on open file. Okay, so this is Insomnia Core. Wait for some time. Okay, so finally we have Insomnia onto Windows machine. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Uh, Application, these are the several options. You can create a request, you can get the response. Just for an example, if you want to see, there is one request present out here. So I have given the Google the website name. So just click on send. Okay, see. So if you drag here, you will get the result or the response. So this is how we can work on Insomnia Core and we can give the request and get the response. So we will deal in detail in the coming tutorials. So for today, that's it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and do share the knowledge. Thank you very much. Bye bye.